How's it going, guys? So I'm here with Curtis and Nick. We are installing these clip-on rain guards to his 2013 Subaru BRZ. As you can see, we already got the passenger side installed and they look pretty good. So we're going to move on to the installation of the driver's side. So some of the materials that they gave you was the actual rain guard with the double-sided 3M tape on the other side. And they gave you some clips and little, they're not screws, but they're kind of like pop clips. And where's the pop clips? So the pop clips right here, you're just gonna disconnect it and just take it apart.
No, wrong way.
And through the...
Yeah. These come off. Okay.
So
you push that in there.
Yes, you just push that in there, and then you put the clip on the other side, and then you push the other end through it. And there we go. Now we got the clips attached. So when you install it, the clips are actually going to go behind the little seal right here. But before we do that, we need to take off the double-sided tape. The hardest part.
I'm trying to show it for video.
So what we're going to do is go ahead and put it where this goes around. It's going to, double-sided tape is going to actually stick up here on the body. Should just clip on in there.
Top, right?
Yep, there it goes.
Bottom.
It goes up here.
Here's the clip.
Yeah. And so it
Go
just,
under
it
the-
just goes up here.
Oh, up there. Above the gasket or below the gasket?
Up above, between the body and the gasket, right there. And there we go. And then move it around to where it sits, where the contour comes up here.
It came out again.
That was kind of messy.
The bottom for the back.
So once you get all the clips installed, you put it in between the little gasket, and then the double-sided tape to peel off the back of it, and just stick it on there. Go to shut the door, and there you have it. Rain guards for your 2013 and up Subaru BRZ.